La 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 la. Da la 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 li lo le lo la la le lo lo lo. I don't even, guys, I don't even know. I don't even know. What's up, everyone? Welcome to Modding Monday over here. Da 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 da. You know, that's how you start this. I'm joining streams for a long time. Mario again. Yeah, why not? Oh, geez, I don't want to. I don't know. Absolutely. Round number 2. Listen, okay. Listen. After the, I have to. Okay. Just. Oh, I should have changed the name of the stream. It should be addressing the allegations, or like addressing the drama, or not talking about the drama. Ah, well, I mean, whatever. It's fine. It's fine. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. Well, I mean, I guess I have to address it, right? We have to address the drama from the last video, the backlash from the last video. Twitter was furious. Twitter doesn't even know about the video. It was just the comment section. Thank you. Oh yeah. There's drama afoot. No more happy music for this, okay? So last time, I made an aeroplane in Minecraft. I was able to fly. I did exactly what was promised, okay? I made it fly up, and you could fall down due to gravity, and when the plane hit, it would crash and die. And it was great. It was exactly what I wanted to do. It looked horrible, but you know, it was fine. It was a plane, not a plane. Mango Def, that's good. That's a good one. That was a good one. So what happened was that it was fine, but it was not fine. The people were not satisfied. They needed more. And this is what I'm here to give you. Okay? What I'm here to give you is an actual airplane. Okay? An actual aeroplane that you will properly, listen. I have no idea if I can do it. But why not? Is that soda water? Yeah, so in Germany, like 90% of people drink water with carbohydrates, with like CO2 in it, so like carbonized water. It's the norm here. I know that in other parts of the world it is not as common, but in Germany, pretty much everyone drinks it. So, yeah, soda water. I mean, it's just water with CO2 in it. So it's just sparkling water, basically. I hate gas water. I mean, look, it's fine. I like it more than the flat one, because flat is not good. It's not really soda, because like soda sort of implies that there's like stuff in there. I don't know. Tastes like the TV static. It's true. It's true. I actually kind of agree with that. Well, anyway, so yeah, the plane didn't. People were mad. People were not happy with the plane. And I don't know. I was like, well, what are we supposed to do? So I was like, you know what? You know what? You want a plane? You're gonna freaking get a plane. You hear me? You're gonna get a plane. And you'll get a plane. And you'll get a plane. You'll all get a plane. Let's go. Okay. Whew. All right. Are we ready for freaking just discover this guy? It seems interesting. Oh, man, you're in for a ride. I just discovered this guy. You come into the stream, I'm dressed in a freaking Mario suit, talking about people wanting planes. Oh, man. Tap water isn't bad in Germany. No, it's fine. It's totally fine. I very much trust our tap water. Like, it's not, that's not a, yeah, I definitely trust it. And this is tap water. And then you have like a thing, and you put like you put the bottles that are full in there, and then you do like, and you pump the CO2 in there manually. Pretty good. It works pretty good. But yeah, it's going to be a plane. And guys, I'm telling you, I have stuff planned for today. You are going to freak out. You're going to say, what, Kaupenjoe? How did you even do this? I don't know if we're going to be able to do it, but the first thing we're going to do, okay? I came here for the plane. Okay, I mean, that's fine. And we'll see this. They will go, Frederick! Hello. Thank you so much for joining us again. I know you're quite busy, so, you know, gotta look at the drip I'm wearing. Well, we'll see. Make as a newspaper. Listen, okay, you have to do a funny comment so that I can, like, incorporate it again in the next video, you know? Then that's fine, right? So, anyway, it's gonna be right here. So I have my plane mod, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to catch you all up on what we had before, okay? Because I think that that's the best way to do this. Okay, let's give him another chance to make a plane. Oh, you won't regret it this time. MangoDev, you will not regret this. Okay, so I will show you the last version of the plane that we had. Just so that everyone is caught up on what we're working with and where it is. You updated your IntelliJ. I did. It's gonna be very awkward because I recorded all of the Forge tutorials for like the next 3 weeks. And I didn't record the fabric tutorials yet, so there's going to be 1 week where there's going to be like a old, new. It's going to be very strange, but it's going to be fun. So this is going to be the plane. Listen, it's a plane. It's a plane. It's a plane, okay? Don't at me. Okay, so I'm going to show you the plane, okay? This is the plane mod, of course. Plane. So this is our plane, okay? As you can clearly see, it's like a biplane that's facing the wrong direction, because why not? But I'm sitting in it, okay? At least, listen, you have to give me like you have to give me points. The first point you have to give me is that I'm sitting in it pretty well. Like, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. This is not a plane. We've had this discussion before. This is a plane, because look at this. Let's go. Ah, no, that's not what I wanted to do. Wait. Okay. I forgot that you have to, like, just let it go down. What the hell? Listen, this is a plane, okay? This is a plane. This is a plane, yes. Let's go. Finally, someone who agrees with me. Woo! No, my plane again. Well, anyway, that's my plane. Okay. Oh yeah, plane. It's crazy. It's crazy. People are going nuts. Not to scale. Sure. I mean, sure. But you know, what if it was to scale? What if you made a plane? Let's go. So basically, I'm taking the design from last time that was provided, and we're gonna make a plane. But what I'm gonna do, there's no cockpit over here. We're gonna get rid of this guy. Get rid of this cockpit over here. We're gonna sit in there. We're gonna just let the breeze hit us. Okay? I mean, maybe we should have like sides. I think sides are gonna be okay, right? Right? Maybe we should retain the sides. Maybe something like that. And then we're gonna just like look out of it. That's what we're gonna do. Functionality of our visuals. Not anymore. You versus the plane she told you not to worry about. Exactly. Wait, what the? Oh, because it's not painted. So we have to paint it, and we have to do some stuff here, but that's okay. Because you all want to plane, and you know what? We're gonna do it properly this time. Okay. I don't even know. Okay, we can calm down now. We can calm down now. Okay, so this is the cockpit, and this is what we're gonna look out of. To be honest with you, you know what's probably the easiest way to do this? I'm just gonna pick like a nice blue, right? And then I'm just gonna do the following. I'm just gonna go like, just give me like a 16 brush. Oh, you know what? No, give me just like a 64 brush. Okay, 50 is the high. Oh boy, that lags quite a bit. Okay, well, first of all, just gonna make all of it the same color, right? Best plane I've ever seen. Okay, so now we all have one color. Now, if you now are going to go, you should paint it different colors. I'm gonna come after you. I see you. Yeah. John, Richard, and Tyler. Come on. There's at least one of those guys in here. There has to be. There has to be. I just, the first names that came to mind. No way. Did I say your name? That would be pretty crazy. Paint it. Color it, please. This is what I'm dealing with. This is what I'm dealing with. Like, it's crazy. Colors, painted, rainbow. Rainbow? You know how difficult it is to make it rainbow? I'm already coloring the cockpit over here again. Okay. But John is like the most generic name. That's true. It is. But that's why I said it. Because like that likelihood of getting someone who's named John to watch the stream is pretty good. Anyway, so okay, we're gonna paint it. But also, yeah, I wanna do the following. I wanna make sure transparent. I don't know how to make it transparent. It doesn't work. I can like reduce the opacity, but that doesn't do it. Oh, maybe I have to. I'm pretty sure that I just can't do it. I don't think it works. Get translucent. Listen, don't. Okay, now you're making fun of me. I want to get a general like sense of the people who are watching. So who has watched the video of me making the plane, like the video that came out on Saturday? Like, who has actually watched that? Because it was really good. It was really good. I started working as a modder thanks to your videos. Yo, let's go. That's awesome. Me. Yup, me. I did. Me. Have. Awesome. Let's go. Not me. Well, that's fine. That's okay. I don't. You like modeling on Blockbench? I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, we can like stop the spam now though. I think that's fine. Oh man, that's like so annoying that it doesn't do that. Bro isn't listening. I don't like modeling on Blockbench, so therefore I'm not gonna say it. Gotcha. I've been watching your coding. Oh, that doesn't work. Oh, come on, man. I'm not gonna paint this. Are you nuts? Have you lost your mind? Look at this. This is gonna look horrendous. Oh, I can't even draw a straight line. What is this? I mean, come on, man. Why? Why? No. Okay, we're getting better. I'm getting better. Oh, nope. Why is it 512 by 512? I don't know. I just made a new texture and it made it 512 for some reason. Oh, this is insane, man. Shift left click. That's shift left click. I tried it. Doesn't work in Blockbench. See? That's why I don't like it. The worst aerodynamics on a plane I've ever seen. I can't make, listen, okay? I know that I can't make everyone happy. I know that by now, okay? That's crazy talk. Are you drunk? You can ask a question once and I'm gonna maybe respond to it. Why would you ask such a thing? That seems very rude. Wait. Not. Oh my god, this is a crazy thing. There you go. I don't think I'm gonna color the other one. Learning how to make a one-piece mod with your videos. You have one on an aero entity. I do not have one on an aero entity. I do plan one on making a throwable entity though, which would be, could be like similarly useful, I guess. Nope. Nope. There's an extreme 90 angle on this plane. You know, at first it was like, yo, this is such a cool plane. That's so awesome. Yo, let's go, Kaupenjoe. And now you're all like, yeah, but you know, the more I think about it, like, listen, do you want this plane? Or do you want this plane? Okay? Those are your two options. We're taking this one, okay? Don't even at me. Okay. Shadow Gamer, hello. Trouble is very easy. It doesn't, I mean, yeah, but there's the trick with the making of the entity type, which is like where everyone struggles with. There you go. And we got a stripe. There you go. Have you tried the Alt key? Yeah, that just selects a different cube. And control doesn't do anything. So now I can't even paint anymore. So there you go. That's what you did. Let's at least make the propeller black. Or like grayish. Like that makes sense. Because otherwise it's gonna look weird. At modding by Kaupenjoe. That is me. Let's go. So I made I was at an event this weekend, and no, it was not Gamescom. Just like a party, and I was talking to someone, and they were like, I was wearing another one of my suits, obviously, right? And they were like, yo, that suit is like really really cool, right? I was like, yeah, I'm using it for work. And they're like, wait, what? You go into work with those suits? And I'm like, sure. And it's like into the office? And I'm like, absolutely. My boss loves them. And he was like, yo, your boss is really cool. I'm like, yeah, I know him. He's me. And then I talked to him about the fact that I'm like doing YouTube and stuff. And he was like, I've never met a YouTuber before. And I was like, I mean, they exist. That was pretty funny. That was pretty good. I told him like what I'm doing, and he was like, "That's pretty cool, man. It's pretty cool." I was like, "Yeah, no, it's a thing. Kind of crazy. It has animations. It no longer has. Oh, it actually has animations. Oh boy. Oh boy, making the plane bigger and integrating a stewardess. See, this is also, isn't it a different term now? Isn't it called the steward? Fly assistant of the flight. There you go. Look at this. We're almost done here. Make a 3 high block fern or something like that. There's gonna be a 2 high block crop that I'm going to do. That's the best I can offer right now. A 3 high block fern. I mean, yeah. So the 2 high block crop is coming soon. That's the best that I have. There you go. Look at this. Use the bucket. You actual piece. Super Z! Couldn't you have told me this before? Okay, so there are some animations. There's an idle animation. Oh boy. That's okay. There's a walk animation apparently. Oh, a liger. And then a walk animation, which is just goes freaking nuts over here. Loop. Yo, this is crazy. I don't know about the idle. And then there's liger. I think that's not translate. Oh, this is actually when it starts. It's like, and then it's like, see how can like how it can approximate the distance. The propeller needs to go real fast. Yeah. Where's the explosion animation? No. I preferred the Mr. Pixel. I actually did. Yeah, you're lucky that I actually did. Is this your model? No, this is a model I stole from someone from the community that gave it to me. And I don't know who it is yet anymore right now. I can't look it up. But I will give credit in the description, okay? Just give me a moment. Let me cook. Okay. It looks absolutely horrendous in terms of colors, but it doesn't matter. This is going to be exported as a Java entity. Let's go. Plane. This is going to be the Kaupenjoe. Save this guy. Save this guy as well. Sure, let's do it. And then we also need to save as this guy, and then that's going to be the aeroplane.png. Or rather, we're going to call it the Kaupenjoe. Kaupenjoe.png. All right. So now we have the Kaupenjoe, right? Now, can you steal a gift? I mean, I guess you can, but, you know. Okay, so this is going to be the Kaupenjoe. So, entity Kaupenjoe. Then we have a Java. So this is just going to be the new thing over here. So let's just get this. Public class. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. This is the plane model. Just changing this. This is all normal. Don't you worry, guys. Not to worry. This is just the plane model. Plane model. Oh, okay. It's all good. We're fine. We're fine. Just have to do this. Change this guy up. This. No more errors present. Let's go. You're doing everything wrong. You know, I'm not even like. You know what? You know what? You know what? You know what? YouTube just tells me now would be a good time to insert an ad. You have more viewers watching than normal. Give it a try. That's what you get. That's what you get for I didn't insert an ad, by the way. I didn't do it. I didn't do it. But that's what you get if you're like continuing to be so rude. All y'all. This is not a plane. What are you doing? This is all wrong. I'm gonna just flood you with the frickin' ads over here. I would never do that. I said, of course, today, and I couldn't find any topic about multi-blocks. Are you thinking about adding one? I mean, maybe, but I don't know. Also, that's a very good point. The course is still on sale. Link in the description below. It's still on sale, 40% off until the end of the day, basically, meaning that it's for like another, what is that, like 6 hours, 7 hours, something like that. So, yeah. Do check it out, 40% off. And when it comes to multi-block structures, I still don't know. Maybe, but I don't know. I don't know yet. We'll see. We'll see. Anyway, so this is going to be the plane, okay? So we now have a better looking plane. Funnily enough, this should actually already be in the game. We've changed it, so it's going to be good. Yep, no look likey plane moment. I'm sadly in a train right now. Might join later. Have fun. All right, Harrow, thank you for joining us. It would be really funny if he had this like on speakerphone in the train, and the people were just like, "What the frick is happening?" So if I spawn it now, it should be the new. It should be the new thing. Oh man, that is. Yeah, I didn't change the texture. Okay, listen. How does it look if I? Oh no. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Listen. I mean, it's something. It's definitely something. Went and came back, and there's the mess. Don't you even start with me, okay? Just make it a bigger hitbox. Yeah, but also, I need to change it from aeroplane to Kaupenjoe. That's what I need to do. There you go. Kaupenjoe? Yeah, Kaupenjoe. People hearing wonderful plane noises, yeah? That was actually a motorcycle from the road, but it did fit quite well, actually. That's pretty good. That's a plane. Plainly broken. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what else to tell you. Will you be doing giveaway for the courses? I was thinking about it. I haven't finalized my like thoughts about it, but maybe next morning Monday, which would be in 2 weeks, so the 11th of September. Oh, that's a... We're definitely not making a plane then. We will do anything but make a plane next morning Monday, which would be the 11th of September. So, okay, that's awkward. Let's move on. Okay, let's take a look at how this looks. Crisis avoided. All right. I am here. Max! Hello. Hello. Wait, cow tools? Pen tools? What you missed? Oh, nothing, you know, just a little bit of playing around. And also, you know, making a freaking plane like this. Let's go, baby. Okay. So this is the first step. Don't you dare tell me this ain't a plane. So this now looks like a plane. That's the first step. It looks like the plane. And you know what's going to happen next? It's also soon going to work like a plane, look like a plane, feel like a plane, sound like a plane, and navigate like a plane. Okay? You forgot the landing gear. I'm gonna come... No! Why did I not continue? Good job, thank you. Name a single plane that has a cockpit in the back. What? This is an actual like a bomber, like airplane, like from the freaking 60s or something. I don't know. It's not famous last words. It's not a plane. Yeah. Clip it and ship it. Did that work, by the way? Did that censor me? Was that a censor beep? You freaking frick. Clip made. Damn. Yeah, it did. Nice. Planes are outdated. Helicopters are cool now. Pretty sure. Yeah, something like that. You know, like a WW2 plane. Exactly. Cow tools smart. I'm gonna texture now. Okay. So we have a plane. We need to change the position of the entity and the translation here. I think like a -1 would be okay. And I think that's... Oh, yeah, but we also need to make it a little bit bigger. Bro can blast and we won't know. I don't even know what you're talking about. But you can swear on stream. This is true. This is actually true. They do not ask me. Try and ask ChatGPT how I can make a plane. Listen, this would end in folly, okay? This is a folly. Don't do it. Don't get seduced by the mistress that is called ChatGPT. It's only going to end in disaster. Let's size this up to like 125 or something like that. Maybe that's gonna work. Lion, hello. Where are you going to review my mod this time? Oh. I did want to, but the thing about it is that the backlash to the plane video was so big and so gigantic. I could not let this stand. I am indeed German. Grifa Games. That's not the most the best name, I guess, but there you go. We're almost there, man. We're almost there. I feel like that's almost it. Listen, okay? Don't you even dare. Don't you even say a thing, okay? Don't you even say a thing. We're starting. We're starting over here. Okay? This is the start of something great. Okay? Oh, it's a 2v. Oh, interesting. It's a server. Interesting. But you do something else after the plane. What are you talking about? You know how long this is going to take to make a plane? It's not just like a thing of a few seconds or minutes. There's going to be hours, days, weeks, and months that we're going to toil on this. It's going to be a whole thing. Nice drone. Oh, propellers. No move. 24-hour stream. Are you crazy? Never. I mean, not never, but like... I don't think that's gonna happen soon. Okay, wait, minus 1.25. Wait, no, you want to do you want 0.05. Yeah. And then you want to do vehicle mod. No, I'm gonna do this on my own. I can do this. Listen, I can do this. A 1 in the X direction. I think X direction is correct. I think so. We'll try this first. and then we'll see. The hitbox should include the entire plane. No, because if it... Listen. No. If it includes the entire plane, then I can't sit inside of the plane. I want to sit inside of the plane. Implement lift, air, speed, roll, yaw, pitch, throttle, flaps, brakes, landing gear, drag, stalling, and many more. In local news, YouTuber arrested for banning chatter from life. Okay, in Minecraft. Okay, that's definitely not high enough. Okay, that was the wrong one. I mean, you know, I had a 50-50 shot. I had a 50-50 shot. That's going to be a 0 right here, and there's going to be a 1 right here. Yeah, multiple hitboxes like the Ender Dragon. Yeah, but that's like really complicated, so I don't know. What does IntelliJ look like? I mean, it's a new UI. I'm just speaking facts. You are speaking facts because you're speaking like you're living in the past. Like an FAX, like an FAX fax. The thing that's like... That was a horrible fax. I have a very funny story about a fax. So, a lady that... Oh, it's the other way around. Okay. So, a lady that a friend's mother was working with, she was complaining, and she said, like, oh, you know... Like, when we are sending fax, right, to, like, the or to, like, other people, right, she was complaining that they were always sending the high-quality paper, but when they got a fax, people would always send the cheap paper to them. Let that sink in. Why are you not hot swapping? 30, I don't know. I'm just, you know, she was complaining. Oh, man, that is... I lost my water from that. That's too far back. Which one is better, Forge or Fabric? I don't think that either of them is better. I personally prefer Forge by the tiniest amount simply because I've been working on it for longer. But that will be it. So that's gonna be like a 0.65 maybe. And the entity itself is gonna get a little bit of a bigger one. That's gonna be a 1.5. How to save an entity to persistent data. What do you mean? How to save persistent data to an entity or to save an entity in persistent data? Because I don't think you can save an entity in persistent data. You could only like, yeah, time core. Which one is better? Oh, I already did that. I already talked about that. Frick. Okay, now though. Where are you? Okay, this... Okay, now we're talking. Let's freaking go, baby. This is a plane. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty good. I think that's a good start. The funny thing about it is that when you go in here, the plane's still gonna... It's still a living entity. It still takes fall damage. I have not heard about that. It looks like a plane, it works like a helicopter, and has the speed of a UFO. I think the plane has never heard of gravity before. Of course, it dies when it hits the ground. Just say it's in kamikaze mode and then you don't need to change it. No, we'll change it. Okay, so the idea was as follows, okay? It's gonna be very easy. Listen. You thinking I'm not thinking about this? I've thought about this all day and night and before. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make it so that you can only use the jump key, yeah, if the plane already has a certain velocity in either F or F2 direction. That's the first thing. Meaning that you actually need to build a runway before you can, like, go up. That's number one. Number two, I shall be adding the Oh, Jesus. I shall be adding the animations as promised. This would be the walk. The walk. And Liger, I guess, which is the starting of the plane. I don't know how this is going to work, but we can certainly try. Could I, like, make a custom key that adds it? Oh, Minecraft boats. Overriding the damage. Lower priority. Maybe? I think that would work. Explaining how the server player to... Wait. How a server player to world data so you can access their persistent data even if they do not access expert depends on the Forge or Fabric. Forge is really easy because that has persistent data in every entity, like just an NBT compound that you can use. The other one is Fabric. You have to make this yourself with Mixum. Animations. Keyframe? No, animations. Export animations. All of them. Oh, that's not okay. You can't just... That's not... you can't just see that. That's... Wait, model.animation? That's not right. That's Geckolib! What is this? Why the animations Geckolib? Oh no, wait a second. Are they like... Oh no. I didn't check the animations. No, it uses math! What is this? Math at random? Oh, that's the idle one anyway. That doesn't... I don't care about that. Okay, I was... What? 5,000... What the... That's a lot of rotations in a very, like, not a long time, I would say. Ligar. It's like slow and then fast and then faster. Okay. Break... you... Listen. Now. You might be laughing, but no longer. Once this flies, you'll all be like, you know what? Yeah, no. Yeah, that's the way it needs to be. All right, sure. Sure. I don't understand why it doesn't, animations? New animation? This is weird. This is a normal plane. Export. Export animations to Java. There you go. That's what you want to see. Yes, please. Oh. No, this is the animations. Animations! Okay. We have animations now. Easy. Entity. Mod and animations. There you go. Bam. Mod animations. See? No errors. I mean, just getting everything in here and then there you go. Not a number. Oh yeah, that's because it's a random one. The idle one is... I don't need the idle one anyway. I just need walk and talk. What is this? Keyframe animations. What? Sometimes it does that. Why is this? You must be a plane expert. Yeah, I think they are. I think they are just playing as one. They're cosplaying as one. Okay. So now, how is this going to work? Animations would be the renderer. Nope. Model. Yes. I have to set up animations right here for the plane entity. Just change this guy. Where is it? T to plane entity. Bam. Easy. Done. Literally studying pilot's license right now. You could have said this sooner. You know that, right? Well. Alright. Well, at least I'm being gaslit by people who know about stuff. Better than being gaslit by people who don't know anything. Okay. So let me take a look at the other code over here, because otherwise I don't know what to do. This is why it's incredibly awesome if you have an already existing thing, project, which you can just copy everything out of. Okay, so this is gonna be walk animation. No, you want idles. You want states, animation states in the entity itself. So that's gonna be this guy. That's gonna be a, I don't know, turn on. Are you gonna make a joke out of this? maybe. It doesn't matter. And a flying animation state. Sure. We also need to override the tick method, which does stuff. Or is the tick method already overridden? It is not. Good to know. Set up animation states. Yes, please. I shall do so. I don't think I need any of them. There's no timeout that I need. I don't think so. You saw my last measure, the one that converts fabric mods to able to run on Forge. I just heard about that like once, and I heard about that maybe NeoForge is going to be able to do that like natively, which would be pretty crazy. But I've not like, oh man, that's ridiculous. Okay. I would want to start this when something is pressed. I think I can just make a Boolean. Turned on. He said turned on. Fabric equals good, Forge equals bad. Okay, can we stop this, or do we need to put user in timeout? I don't know how long this is for a timeout. Well, it doesn't matter. It's fine. He's already in timeout. They said they aren't doing that, Kaupenjoe. Oh, I didn't. That was the first thing that they said in the first, like, talk. But that's okay. If turned on is equal to true. Or just easier to understand. I don't know. I think both are fine, but is flying. If is flying is true, flying animation state, start. Continue? Oh, it's gonna loop anyway, it's fine. Did you get armor trims working? I did not. I stopped trying as well, because they are never gonna be compatible with other mods anyway. So it doesn't really matter that much, in my opinion. I don't think so. So I don't think it's going to be a thing I'm going to be looking at. Minecraft. Okay, so first of all, I need to somehow make the entity rotate to the place I'm looking at, because I feel like that's the most important thing. So let's actually check this. Entity rotate, ridden entity rotate. Nope. Entity rotate. Oh man, that is a screaming baby outside. I can't find the entity render that rotates around the y-axis, but I don't want the renderer to rotate. I actually want the thing to rotate itself. Like I want the actual thing to properly rotate. Set rotation. This dot get y rotation. Okay, couldn't you just do this then? Wait a second. This is weird. Set y rotation. Living entity dot y rotation. Set rotation. This dot rotation. Okay, all of this craziness. Oh, this is set once though. No, the travel vector is like called every frame. Or every tick, I guess. No, it has to be. Travel ridden is, yeah, in this like weird label, and that's called in the AI step, which is called in the tick method. So that's called every tick. Living entity got at y rotation. That would be this rotation. And then for some reason, this one is set to this. Even though this one's already setting it. Not really. X and Y? Why would you set the Y rotation first and then the X? So weird. Just do all of it. I don't even give a frick. Head rotation, there's no head. Also, this would be body rotation. Body. Y body rot. horrible name. Always love you if it added to play the official wiki. Oh, thank you. That's awesome. Let's see if this is gonna like make it. Let's see if this is gonna like do something, anything. Because it might. Okay, let's see. Let's just get a new plane. Summon plane. Okay. Does not rotate with me. Also, it's looking in the wrong direction still. Okay, fair enough. How to update IntelliJ. You update it to the newest version. You just download the I think you can also go to help and then like check for updates. And then you have to go to the top right and there's like a the bar, and then it says like switch to new AI, new UI. Mano, hello, no worries. No worries. There is no late over here. There's just the time that you arrive. So the first thing is you want to go to mod entities. Nope. Rendra, yes. And you want to switch this guy to be 1-in-1, I think. I'm pretty sure. You might have to do -1 on this one, but I'm unsure. Because the scaling like, turns it around. So I'm pretty sure that if I do that, now I'm going to face the right way. The right way or the right way? That is the big question. We'll see. Okay, so. Wait. Oh. Oh. Yeah, that would be happening. That's a bit awkward. Well, I mean, okay. Listen, you got me there. That's not quite the plane that I was thinking about. Okay? It's yeah, that's not. Maybe we do want to. Yes, yeah, okay. So now it should be the right way around. I think. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Of course. Definitely gonna work now. Australian plane. It's so true. It was an Australian plane. It came from Sydney International Airport. Man. I mean, it happens, you know. When they come in the... Oh, man. Okay, plane. But what do you mean? Wait. So that would be the Y rotation? But why? That makes no sense. What does scale mean? Oh, it doesn't rotate it. It scales it around that axis. So it scales it instead of... Okay, I was thinking about rotating it. No, it scales it around the minus axis. So it's going to scale it like across the XZ plane. If you scale it by -1 on the y-axis. That's what happens. So therefore, now it's going to be the right way around because it's going to be the XY plane. Absolutely understandable. There you go. Okay, fully understanding. And then this is going to be... In what way is it looking? Why? But it's still looking the wrong way. I guess I can just turn it around by 180, right? I think that's the easiest. Mole pause. Oh, but I have to give a quaternion. I don't want to give a quaternion. Quaternion dot slurp. I love that. Okay, let's not. But wait a second. That's so weird. But if I do a -1, I already had a -1. But that would be the YZ plane that it rotates around. I mean, but maybe it is this? Wait, what? Please tell me it's the Z axis. Z axis, Z axis. So I have to like do X it has to be this, because I already also offset it from there. Yeah. It has to be this. No, it has to be this. Vector 3, YP rotate degree. True. But I think this also works if I do XY plane. This looks much better. Yeah, I think that's a good thing to look into the first time around. No, it doesn't have to be. It has to be -1. Nope. It works exactly how I want it to. Die! Once again, in Minecraft, I'm talking about this plane. How much health does it have? Let's just, like, slam it into the ground. Be gone, plane! There we go. It's gone. We're gonna make a new one. Fresh. Out of the oven. Summon plane. Okay, and you can see it looks exactly into the right direction. Exactly correctly. Awesome. It all works exactly how it's supposed to. Now that all of that crap is done, we can now go to the plane entity again. Oh, this is going to be awkward. Wait a second. Did you see this? So previously it was like, oh no, that's not good. That's I don't like this change in the UI, but okay, that's fine. These planes crash and burn easily. I mean, listen, it is what it is. So I'm gonna try the following, okay? This is just pure curiosity, because why not, right? Minecraft get instance dot options dot key swap offhand, just because I want to try this. This dot turned on is true. Okay, I just want to see what happens if I can turn on when I like press a button. If I can turn on the propeller, and it's gonna go. Okay, and that was not nearly what it sounds like, but you know, close enough. It needs that 100%. Yeah. I noticed that there's only 42 people. I expected way more. Listen, I mean, it is what it is, man. Not everyone can be an aviation connoisseur, okay? A Minecraft modding the prodigy, a programming people. Oh, man. Yeah, that's exactly right. That's exactly right. I want to look at the camel model. You deserve more. Well, thank you, but you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. You know, we're doing more stuff. I mean, the video on Saturday was a test, you know, to like get a few like different things started, and I feel like it was pretty good. It went very well. Like they were like pretty, like it was pretty significant in terms of views compared to the tutorials, which is fair, right? I mean, you know, it's like, oh no. This dot animate, that's not good. You know, compared to the tutorials, because obviously the tutorials are just like longer. No, it needs to be a hierarchical model, but I think that should not change anything, I hope, except for one thing, which is implementing the root, but that's fine. We'll see though. This dot bone. This dot bone, guys. Okay. Tried modding before. It was bad. Well, I mean, you know, flying as well as turned on. This is going to be the, oh no, this is not the camel. Mod animations dot Ligar is the turning on, and the other one is the fly, the walk, I guess. Okay, fair enough. That's okay. And then this is the agentics. Nope. It is the third float. It is agentics. Let's go. Okay, and this is extremely important, okay? You cannot forget this. You have to call this root get apply for each reset model. Reset pose over here. If you don't call this, each tick, your animation gets added on top of the other. Meaning that I don't know what would happen, but at some point it would rotate so fast that the game would probably crash, I'm not gonna lie. And no, we're not trying this. Maybe later, once I get this to work. My mods are doing rather well now, after using your tutorials to get started. Awesome. That's the idea. That's the whole thing. Okay, so let's see. This is pretty good. Travel, and when we're in controlling this, if I press the swap key, so this would be the F key, then I turn on the plane, and in theory, what should happen is it should do the turned on animation, and it should start that. Yeah. What I should actually do now, oh, you know what? No, wait. Yeah, wait a second. Public float turned on counter? Sure, why not? That's fine. Why wouldn't you not make this an int? Makes way more sense. Why float? Literally no reason to do that. My mod is doing great. 3.5k downloads. Let's go. Oh, pretty good. Plus. If turn on counter is equal, bigger or equal to, it needs to be bigger or equal to the animation length, which is, 6. There you go. 6 seconds. Freaking awesome. So that's 6 times 20 because it's in ticks. So that's completely blanking. 120. And then what you do is flying is true, and you do turn on is false. I'm a genius. So what's gonna happen? Oh boy, this is gonna get real juicy real soon. So I'm gonna go into the plane, right? I'm sitting in the plane, right? I'm press the F key. This means, let's see, this that turned on is equal to true. All right, that's fine. What does that mean? The setup animation state gets called. The turned on is true. This means that the animation state is going to get started. This also adds on to the on counter right here, which is going to count up until we reach 120 or more. Once that is the case, setting flying to true and turn on to false, meaning the is flying is true, then starting the flying animation where the propeller keeps going and then it just keeps going. And we can't turn it off right now, but I feel like that's a compromise I'm willing to make. Okay? It's a compromise that's fine. If that already works, I would feel pretty good about that. Okay? There's like, All right, so this guy's gonna die. Still doing the plane. Of course I'm doing the plane! Because people keep complaining about this. Pretty unrelated to stream, but I have done trips on learning coding language. I've been following your Java tutorials. Definitely, I mean, keep at it. Don't be discouraged if sometimes it might take a little bit longer than, you might expect. Or, there's a part that you don't understand. Maybe also sometimes go back to a lesson before. Don't do too much on one day. And the frustration is part of the course. It's just gonna happen at some point. And never assume that, I will never need this, because that's unlikely. If I put it into the tutorials, then it's probably gonna be a thing that's pretty good. So that means there's a part 2 of the plane video. Yes, and you're in it right now. Let's go, because right now we're sitting into this. And now look at this, okay? I'm going to now press the F key, which is going to be the swap hand. This is going to turn on the propeller. And you know what's going to happen then? It's going to continue to go! It was worth a try, I guess. I mean, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Okay. Okay. I just want to know whether or not this is cold. Okay, that's the only thing I want to like. I just want to know if this is cold. Let's go into debug mode. That's what we're going to do. We're going to go into debug mode now. Okay? That's what's going to happen. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Not my shift. True. Oh no, what the frick? I don't even know who you are. Continue? Yep, there you go. That's fine. Make a custom keybind for it. Not yet. Not yet. We're not there yet. But we will be soon. Okay. F. Okay. It does do it. It does do it. That's fascinating. Does this also work? Maybe the animation just doesn't work. It could be the case. Listen, maybe I was actually doing everything. It's true. Animation is turned on. It continues to go. Fascinating. So it does get turned on. The turn on animation does start. The mod animations. I don't think I have to register anything, right? It's just turned on flying animation state, which started. Last time 3,350. Okay, you know what? Let me get out of this. Get me out of this. Get me out of this, and then just be gone. Oh my god. How much? Okay, I was just about to say. When it works, but not really, and you can never find out why. It's a bit of a. Why is the? What are you doing, time? Game rule. No game rule. Yeah, do daylight cycle is false. There you go. Summon plane. Okay, nothing. Pressing F is false, and after one time, it is true. Let's do this. And it doesn't do anything, right? Yeah, but it should stop at in a bit. There you go. Yeah, and then it's yeah, no, that does work. And then this is all of a sudden true. And then it should start the flying animation. Okay, so there's a couple of reasons why this could be the case. Okay. Let's see. The first one could be that remote host terminated handshake. No. Animation. Nothing. Bone. Nothing. Okay. Wait a second. Mod animations. Bone 3. Now this is bone 3. That's definitely bone 3. And I think that should work. Let me check the other animation if there was anything else, but I don't think there is. The only part where you have this is inside of this.animate. You have to supply the root, which would be bone. This is correct. Root is definitely bone. The layer gets properly added. There is a agent ticks gets, yeah. We reset the animation. I was so happy. Modding _2. Modding _2 and modding _3 and modding _4. That's where all this comes from. Lone Wolf, that's where all this comes from. And from my own cockiness that I will be able to do it. Which, you know what, this is just, I don't know if this is the case. I suspect that maybe the numbers are a little bit too high. Like, just for the sake of argument, let's just turn this down by like just a bit. Maybe like by a bit more. Wait a second, maybe something like that. I just want to like see if it works at all. 180. 720. And then this would be, let's do 1480. And then let's do 1480 as well. In maybe like 1 second instead of like this like weird 1.04. Because I feel like 1 second is just a little bit nicer. There you go. Right. Maybe. Yeah. 6 seconds. Okay. Walk Liger. Turn on animation state. Start. Animate when. Oh, animate when. Oh, what? I didn't even know that you could do that. That's even better. What? Animate when? And then you just pass in the turn on? Oh, that's so good. That's way easier. That's awesome. I didn't know that that was a thing. Flying. Damn. There you go. Oh, it's flying. Oh, fair enough. We still need this. What did I miss? I've been washing my dog. That's a very strange. I mean, yeah, you know, it has to be washed as well, but you know, that's kind of funny. I will say that. Good to know. It is good to know. Okay, so right. That's fine. This is tick count though, right? I'm not crazy in that, right? I could be. I don't think so. It is tick count. If level is client, setup client. Man, it's probably something to do with the animation. How could I test it otherwise? I mean, I guess I could just turn on the animation. But it is turning on, so it has to be something with the animation. This is all on the client. Like, it's because the local instance right here, right? And then this is also on the client, which should be fine. How did you change the IntelliJ appearance? When you update IntelliJ, you can go to the right side and there's like a switch to a new UI. And you can change to the new UI, which you are seeing as of right now. So what did I miss? Not a lot. It's like we got the thing in the we got the new model in there. That's about it. That's about it. So you can see there's a new model. You can destroy it, and then we'll see. 90%, and then you don't find the last 10%. It's kind of like that, yeah. Summon plane. Okay, so F, nothing. Doesn't do anything. Even though the turn on is true, and even though that would animate the turn on animation state, which is defined in the plane model setup anim method with the this.animate entity turned on animation state, which should then activate the liger, which is 6 seconds long, and it should do things at the 0, 3, 5, and 6 second mark in keyframes with the rotation, and it should rotate this around 180, 720, and then 1480 degrees. Yeah, but the issue is that I don't even know what to hot swap. That's the issue. 7410. I don't even know what to hot swap. That's the thing. Toggle invisible parts. Sit animation state. Does it have to? No, it doesn't. No. You don't have to have a walk animation. I don't believe that's a thing. I don't think so. Sit animation. Start if stopped. Is visually sitting down. Maybe check if the world is client-side. Well, it is client-side, but that's the point. It should be client-side. The setup animation state method, as you can see, is only called client-side because the animations are all client-related. And the changing of the is turned on has to be client-side because I'm using Minecraft get instance options key swapped hand is down, which we know that this is true because we've debugged it previously. So that turns true, and then it should start this animation, but it does not. Could it be that multiple animations on the same bone? Well, it should only start one animation. That's the thing. Making it plain with a camel as a reference. Amazing. I mean, you take what you can get. Let's just do this. Let's just start this. Like immediately. Like without doing anything else. And then we'll just do this. There could be maybe something about the rendering, but like I don't think so, right? Render to buff, render this root that render maybe? Ooh, it could be, right? Maybe the root is wrong? But I don't think so. I don't think it's wrong. Wait a second. I want to double check this. That's the bone. And that is called bone. Root.getChildBone. I'm thinking of... Wait a second. Wait. This might be it. It might be the root. No, it's not. It's not. That's fine. That should be fine because in the Rhino, my Rhino right here. Spoilers, by the way, but it's fine. The root is also the Rhino part, which is going to get root.rhino. That's fine. Okay. And the camel is the same thing. Root, and this is just interesting. But the Rhino works, so I'm pretty sure that that's fine. So it shouldn't matter that it's like not the quote unquote root part that's get passed in there. As long as the root here is correct. Which is this.bone, which is fine. Which is the same as rendering that. Okay, no, that's all good. No, it's fine. Ooh, baby, that is a rough one to figure out right here. Is young. Nice. Push, pose, scale. This.root, which is the same as me. I don't need head rotations. Animate walk. You know, see me struggle with this and then find out that entity. No, it's a living entity though. Wait a second, that's ridiculous. It should absolutely be possible to do that. Can I just do this? Is this going to change anything? Oh, funny. Entity. Do I even need to do this? No, I don't. Just do this. Yo, quit. What's up? Well, I'm trying to figure out why the freaking animations don't work. Wait a second. Bone 3, there it is. So if the bone 3 exists, it exists. Hello. Bone 3 exists. Who do I need to ban? You don't need to ban anyone. It's all good. So that just... No, don't. You can keep the game running in the background. When you've changed something, you can hot swap it. Yeah, but it doesn't take that long to start up, though. That's why I like to have the mental space of it off to be like... You know, I like to, like, have it gone. You freaking... LMAO, bro, is a YouTube mod and not even a Discord one. It's true. That is true. I don't know. It's a living entity. Oh, no, that's also not the case. At first I thought maybe it's like when you're writing an entity, somehow the like animation stops, but I don't think that would work either. Just put that out there. In the renderer, I mean that makes no sense. The renderer has no bearing on the animations at all. I don't think so. Okay. F. Nothing. Let's get rid of this guy. Oh, it doesn't even matter now. It should just start the animation immediately. And it has so much health when you're like trying to get it with a sword. Yeah, the animation should just start on its own. But it doesn't. Maybe it's too fast. Right, it's like so fast we can't see it. No, that ain't it. That ain't it. I would remake the animation and see if that's the issue. I mean, yeah, but like, it's not like this is an insane animation, right? Like, I can like try to like, oh wait a second. You know what? Let me see the rotation over here. Okay, so any rotation that exists right here is like 0.5, like really tiny. Maybe the animations are too big. As I've said before. No, that's not what I want to do. Okay, so it doesn't complain, but it might still be the case. Where in the resources is the animation placed? No, this is an animation with the keyframe system, so you don't need to add this into the resources anywhere. Okay, we're gonna try the following. I'm just gonna try to like do this at like the tiniest scale. 5 degrees might be a little bit low, but like, you know. I mean, even 12 when you think about the other stuff. No. Let's just go. Let's just do like tiny numbers. Maybe the numbers are too big. Maybe it's like it's just going crazy. Maybe they are too big and Minecraft can't handle that. Give yourself a sword with a load of sharpness so it's a one hit. Nothing. Wait. It doesn't rotate at all. It doesn't play the animation at all. I can... Okay. Because you're all so crazy. Let me actually... Animation. Add animation. It's gonna be test. Loop. Sure, it doesn't matter. It's gonna be bone. Sure. Position. 0 at 1. Oh, geez. No. At 1? No, I don't want to move this. Oh, man, that's kind of okay. 0, there you go. 24 frames. Thank you, that's really nice. I want to do another one. New keyframe. Just going to be just like moving it up. And then at 2, just moving it down to this guy again. Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Keyframe. Animation. Export. Export animations to Java. Mojang. Anim2. Okay, so my reasoning here is because maybe this is test. Maybe it does not like rotation as an animation, which is why I'm trying to use just a normal position change now, which should be like not as crazy. So that should be the turned on animation state, which is used right here in the model, which we're going to take instead of Liger, it's going to take a test. That should be everything that we need to do. Keyframe animation, get accumulated time. Yep. Okay. This plane is going to be the coolest going up and down. That's what it's going to do. Okay, if we can't get the animation to work, then we're going to do the other stuff, because otherwise it's not going to be... It's going to be too... It's not going to be good. Damn, there you go. What the heck? It didn't kill it in one hit? How does that make sense? I don't see a... You see it moving? I don't see it moving. No, it's not moving. Imagine the setup method isn't even called. There's no setup method needed. That's the thing. There's no setup method needed. Yeah, I got nothing. I don't know. It's I don't think it makes sense right now to like continue to look at this. Let's just let this rest, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do this guy, which is going to be the following. It's called setup anim. Yeah, and you know where this is called? This is when you talk out of your butt. Okay? This is called in the abstract thing. So if you, for example, take a look at the... No, you can't be right. This is not... I will not accept this. If you are right, I'm actually gonna... I don't think so. No. What does the renderer say? Render to buffer. Setup anim. It's literally called. It's literally cold. Entity model. Wait a second. This dot model. Yeah, but that doesn't matter because it's like, why is this like, why would this not be a plain model? That's my question. Model. Makes no sense. This particular method gets called. But you know what? What's the interesting part about this? This is what gets me. Oh, that's not even right. I looked at the completely different renderer. I don't even have a custom renderer in there. I'm just calling the super here. So this is the craziest part. I am not even calling this in my example in the course. So maybe me calling it is the issue? But why would that be the case? What? Also, why is the super called first? Do it the other way around. Let's not call it. And let's see what happens if I do this. Because in the other one, I'm not calling it. I don't understand that. Super.render. Super.render model.attack time dot writing equals should sit. Passengers should sit. Walk animations. Animations? Set up anim. Is this called? Yeah, it gets called. I just, yeah, why not? Oh, wait a second. Well, might as well. Might as well. Oh, what is this? Oh, because I didn't. Okay, it's all good. Let's just keep it like this for just a moment. Yeah. Will we get done the will we get the mod when you're done? I still haven't decided that yet because like the code is not necessarily the best, but maybe. Yeah, okay, so there's nothing happening here. Oh, so it should go up and down actually. Let's see if it's just like an issue with an old plane. I don't think so. Yeah, there's no up and down happening. Okay, interesting. What did you pay for me to fix the code? You will not be able to do that. Okay, that's fine. So, yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna take a look at this. So you can only start to do this, and then the speed is actually gonna get like, it's gonna increase up to a max. I meant the ugly code. Oh, fair enough. That's actually very fair. You can set up the animation in the model if you want. Yeah, but none of this like matters. Well, that's not. No, wait a second. I want to increase the speed every tick by like a little bit until. Listen, this is an easier way to do this. It doesn't matter. I don't mind. I guess it's pretty hard. I mean, it shouldn't be. I don't know why it doesn't work to make a plane. If it's bigger or equal to 3, set it to 3. Otherwise, set it to new speed. You can use min. Yeah, I know. See, that's what I love it. That's awesome. No, that does not work. Wait, yeah, no. Sure, yeah. That should work, right? Yeah, actually it would. I think it would. I think it would work. That's awesome. Set the speed to new speed. That's just times it by 2. Why not? It doesn't matter. And then the question is, if this dot speed, stuck speed multiplier, get speed, is bigger or equal to 2.5. Not plus, just do plus. You're right. It's just plus. You're correct. Good catching that. I've grabbed a snack. Did I miss anything important? And we decided not to do animations. 0.5 times 20, so that's gonna be 1 in 1 second. I think that's okay. It's gonna get, so you need about like, yeah, exactly 2.5 seconds to start going up. Sure this is gonna work? I don't think so. I don't know what the attribute here is actually. Like what we start with in speed. I think it's 1, but we'll see. In theory, I should not be able to just go up now. That's the first step. So the first step, if I go in here, right, and I now press E, I should not go up. I'm not going up. Let's go. So I have to move and, oh. Okay, that's a little bit of a, I think we need a runway. Runway. That's just like, oh, I don't even know if that's not, that might be. Listen, okay, don't at me with your fill. I'm gonna do a fill, okay? No, what I'm gonna go do? Blue concrete. Let's go. That's a runway, baby. Jump button E sucks. No. Okay, just have to. Oh wait, I can't rotate this. Well, that's an issue. Can't do this though. And just summon it in the wrong other direction. Wait, what? What are you doing? Oh, it's always gonna look in the same direction? No. No. That's not. This can't be happening. No! It's always looking in the wrong direction. Okay, so I have to start from this way. Okay, fair enough. Summon. Plane. Okay, now. Okay, it looks a little weird. So I can't fly with E, but what I can do is I can go. It doesn't work. Okay. Okay. Okay, we have a super flat now. Oh man, that is exactly right. That is exactly. Oh, movement speed. Yeah. So what's the movement speed right now? The movement speed is 1. It's 1. We increase this by 3. Now, when I see the I see that you're making making a plane is making you mad. What do you mean? Of course not. Send help. Okay, it's all good. All right, man. Take care, Harrow. Oh, planes are back, of course. What's so crazy about this is I don't even understand how it gets the speed. Does the travel method even need the speed anywhere? It actually gets the speed over here. F5. Move relative. Holy moly. That's crazy. This dot gets speed. Yeah, so it definitely does with stuff with a speed. So, oh, because I reset freaking new speed every time I go in here. Yeah, no wonder. If you reset it every time you go in there, then it's gonna stay the same. Now, however, I don't reset it. And now every time I continue, it's gonna go. It's gonna continue. I think I should just like, I actually should just reduce it to like 0.15 and just see what happens. We're just gonna see what happens. If it works, we're gonna fly. If it does not, then we won't. And that's okay as well. Because sometimes things like these happen. Sometimes these things happen, and that's okay. Okay, so now we're going to summon the plane. There it is. You have to move it, but that's fine. If I write it, oh my god, that's really fast. That is very fast. Can I fly now? Oh my god, I can. Oh my god, that's crazy talk. Okay, that did tell the plane, but I don't know why I'm so fast though. Summon a plane. Wait, summon plane. So this is max speed. And then I press E, now I'm flying. That's pretty cool. Move fall damage. I agree. Hurt. Do hurt target. Wait, what? This dot hurt. Yeah, exactly. If E21 dot is type equals damage source damage types dot fall return false. Equal cannot be applied to damage type and resource key of damage type. That is. There you go. Where can I find good documentation? For Fabric on the Fabric Wiki, for Forge on the Forge Community Wiki, that's called Gemwire UK. Just search for Forge Community Wiki Gemwire, then you're gonna find that. Source if damage equals. Yeah. No, that's fine. You just wrote HUD at the beginning. No, it's fine. Why do you keep using the names? Because I don't want to change them right now. It doesn't matter. For just like a testing thing, it's fine. I think we're gonna get the repo once you're done. Maybe. I don't know yet. Okay, so but this is going like it increases really fast. So like, what if I like did something like this to get the speed? The need for speed. This cuts it in like by 150. Like, I mean, divides it by 50 now. Which I feel like is a bit better. Like that should work much better. Hopefully it doesn't crash and burn again. We'll see. We'll see. It might. Okay. La da 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 da. So, oh. I still have this? No, I have speed. Let's just get a new one. Summon. Plane. Summon. Summon. Plane. Okay, now we're talking. Look at this. Now we're starting to... And I can't fly yet. I can't fly yet. Nope, still not a thing. I still can't fly. I'm holding down my jump key. See, now we're going. This is a plane. Let's go. I'm still not flying. I still can't fly yet. I'm still not fast enough. But soon, I'm going to be fast enough, and then I'm going to go to the freaking moon. We're going to fly. I'm telling you, we're going to fly. I don't think it's going to fly. Oh, I'm flying. Let's go. Woo. Let's go, baby. Woo! That's a one long runway. I mean, you know, it is what it is. See, and no more fall damage. I did it! Let's go! Okay, let's put it up a little bit so that everything renders a little bit higher. That would be... -1? I think so, right? I think -1 is fine. You're glitching. Ah, it's fine. Okay. I don't know why that is the case though. Maybe like we want to make this a little bit more. And then this might be like a 2. Doesn't make sense because it should do it at 3. Like it should cap it at 3, but maybe. I don't know, maybe. Okay, that's fine. That's pretty good. Okay. You should set the chat up on screen. I kind of agree with you, but I haven't had the chance to do that yet. I'm gonna do that for next time because we're gonna jump over one yeah, that's okay. Over 1 week anyway, so that's gonna be okay. Maybe 0.25 maybe. And then we should be good to go. Hoping that the speed then works. And then also, you know what? No. This needs to be just less. It just needs to be less. Let's do like a 5 or something like that. What resolution monitor do you have? Minecraft is so small when you start it. It's like it's a 4K monitor. That's why. It's a 4K monitor, which is why it's so small. Because it like starts in pretty small thing. Just a little bit higher. It is like maybe 4 or 5. I don't think it's 0.5. Like 1.5. I just don't think it is. I think it's gonna be like 0.5. Yeah. Make the hitbox taller. I don't think that that's necessarily a thing that we need to do. 7.5. We'll make it a tiny bit taller. How about that? All right. We don't need the calculator anymore. So this was 5. Let's see if that's gonna be enough. Because I feel like the travel vector is gonna get multiplied by the speed anyway. So I feel like as soon as we're going like 2, we should be going enough. There you go. That's gonna be fine. Things are in the, yeah, that's fine. That's okay. We have to sit up a little bit higher, but that's okay. Actually, that might be pretty good. Okay. So if I now start. Wait, if I now start. Okay, so that's, oh, because it doesn't change, maybe? Oh. Yeah, so now we start in a low speed. What version of Forge is this? 47.1.3. I can't fly yet, but if I were to press shift, so now I'm like doubling the speed, now I can fly. Woohoo! I'm flying! Woo! And then I'm landing. Oh wow, you can stop like really fast. That's like a little bit jarring. Okay, I still don't understand why this would be the case. This dot speed. Oh, it's another speed, but you set the speed. Right? So it doesn't matter. Shouldn't matter. We're setting that speed to this speed. If is flying negate gravity? Nah. Nah. Just don't quite understand. Movement speed. If you get dismount location for traveler. Where do you dismount? I need to dismount. Dismount to? Dismounts under, I read dismounts underwater. Not underwater though. Because I want to reset the speed. That's what I want to do. I want to reset the speed to this. When what happens? When you're no longer doing this. Like that? I don't think that's going to work. Well, we can try. It's worth trying. Why not? Sure. Sure, let's do that. In the hopes that would, when I like stop being in the plane that it resets the speed. It should reset it as soon as I stop moving, but a little bit harder to implement right now. I don't think I'm gonna. I don't think I want to go there. So this is gonna be slow, and then it gets fast, and then you can fly. And then I stop. I go outside. I go back in. I'm still fast. Theas, hello there. And seeing your Twitter challenge. Very good. Very, very well done. Oh, just do like just reset it right here. If get controlling passenger. Nope. Get controlling, yep, exactly this one. Equals null. Damn. Reset that stuff. Easy. Also, if this dot get speed dot is equal to this dot speed. Why? No, I don't want to reset it to this speed. If it's smaller than 0, reset it to set it to this. Makes absolutely no sense. Actually, it does. This should be fine. This should be okay. But speed is not the... This is all wrong. I don't think this is right. No. Okay, I think that there's... The issue is the following, okay? No. The issue is the following. There is the speed that the entity is moving in. And then there is the speed, like there's like the movement speed, right? Every tick I do, 0.05 blocks. And there is the movement vector, like this guy right here, which also, the magnitude of which also determines the speed at which this plane is traveling. So while we're setting the speed right here, I don't know if this is the right speed. It is the right, I think it is the right speed. But why am I resetting it to this then, instead of 0? I don't know. I don't even know what's gonna do. Honestly though, whether or not the if statement has a space in front or not, that's not, it doesn't matter at all. It doesn't matter at all. It's the same thing whether or not the curly bracket is like in the same line or in the next line. It really doesn't matter all that much. Okay, so now it's gonna be summon plane. I can do this. Yeah, I can go, and that's fine. If I stop, I retain my speed. I don't know why that is the case. I feel like this is the best I can do, man. I'm kind of running out of ideas. And to be honest, the plane, I don't know about it. Okay, wait a second. Let's think about this one more time. Let's think about this one more time. First of all, I don't even know why this doesn't work. That doesn't make sense to me. Like, if I'm not holding down shift and like doing that, that makes no sense to me. Travel. Get controlling passenger is null. Nullable. It is nullable, so it should definitely be called at some point, but then it never sets it. That's the issue. It never sets it. You're not calling set speed. Yeah, I think that's probably the issue. Then we're setting the speed back. But this is going to get us into a loop where we're never going to get out of. Except if I also say, well, then I can just put it in there then. But that doesn't make any sense. If vehicle is speed, when I'm stopped, I should reset the speed. And then here I added to this, which should be enough to get it out of there. Because movement speed is 0.05. I mean, sure. I mean, why not? Let's just see what happens here. This is way, way harder, okay, than you might expect. Especially with, like, the different speed and stuff. That is crazy, man. That's some new level stuff. Okay, so that's fine. We can still go. And we're still not getting enough speed so that I can, like, take off. Except if I, like, press the shift key for a moment and then I can go. Which is fine. Then I stop. I'm still retaining the speed. Why, though? Why does it not reset my speed? Set speed. Get attribute. This gets the attribute from the actual, like, attribute supplier. The theme in my pixel drawing today still haven't found. Well, I mean, listen. Why don't you play like a tiny plane, like a tiny how about a paper plane? Because that's what I'm dealing with over here. Nothing like this is not a real plane. The paper plane that could work. Or air travel. How about like a little bit of a broader topic? Air travel. Speed is lower than 0.05. 0.65. And you reset it to this, and you reset it. Hello. All right, let's go. Gotta go. All right, Theos, thank you for joining us. If there's no controlling player, what does movement speed return? Should return 0.05. Basically always, every time I call it. It should always return 0.05. Yeah. That makes TTF font out of Minecraft font. Damn. And then the reason that this is done is because it's not, yeah, and then this one speed, you need to divide it again if you're not holding it down. But now, if I'm doing this, now I'm going to be half as fast if I'm not holding it down, which just doesn't work either. I'm back, you're still bad. Thank you. Always nice to hear some positive encouragement. Maybe we can like bound it higher? I mean, it doesn't make any sense either, but I don't know. That is kind of weird as well, I guess. Does not moving count as slow speed? That's what I'm trying to figure out. You know what? Yeah, but the issue is... Oh, okay. We're just gonna... You mean the negative encouragement? No, that's that was the joke, right? It's like... It's so negative that I'm like, it's like positive encouragement. You loaded Minecraft within 10 seconds and the world within 2. Listen, okay? What you doing? I'm making a plane in Minecraft. Travel method adds speed or sets speed. The travel method adds speed and then sets the speed that was added. So basically, as I'm sitting in here, right now the speed is 0.05. As I press the forward button, every tick I get Oh, now we're not adding anything. Okay, but it doesn't reset anymore. It reset! It reset when you get out of it. Okay, that works. Okay, I think now the issue is that it resets it right here. Like, it still gets cold right here if the speed is less than this. No, that's does not get cold. Oh, now? Yeah. Okay. The speed is 0.05. So if it's smaller than 0.05, it gets reset to 0.05. Doesn't make any sense. We replace the Twitter with an X. You're actually right. Completely forgot about that. We now have happy Kaupenjoe. Well, we have happier Kaupenjoe than before. I can tell you that much. Because that is a little bit better. So if I now were to like go full speed that I can, right? Bam. I'm gonna stop it here again. I'm gonna continue to press W and oh, okay, that's so the speed was, regardless of that, it was not enough because it keeps resetting it to 0.05. So this would need to reset it to higher than that, but the issue is the only reason why it gets reset at all is because it's not a thing. How do I do this? Do I need to download Minecraft in order to mod with IntelliJ? You do not need to download Minecraft, no. But you need to possess it to do that. Otherwise, it would be against the EULA. You're actually good, Kaum. No, you don't. Exactly. So, that means if I am correct, if I were to just add, but then it will no longer reset this then. 0.015, which would make it exactly this. It wouldn't work because it would damage this. And then we could hop swap this. It's probably not going to work. It actually did work. Wow. Right, and it still doesn't do that though, because we're probably still not fast enough. Get speed 0.0525. It added it once, but then it gets reset again. Okay, wait a second. So if I do 0.5, maybe that is the answer to all my quarrels. Now I'm getting faster again. I'm definitely getting faster again. 100%. I'm 1000% getting faster. But what is my max speed right here? That is the big question. Because I still can't go up. Which is very, very interesting. So, well, I mean, I guess I can do this. Get speed is 0.95. Is speed bound by... But it couldn't be. It can't be. In this instance, speed is bound by 4. 100%. So that means, like, if I continue this, in theory, I should get faster and faster still. It's just, like, going to be a slow process. So I was like 0.95, right? Yeah. Let's see where I'm at now. 1.48. Okay. No, I am getting faster. It just takes a bit of time. I'm still fast. Another question. Now I can fly! Without pressing shift, let's go! So it does work. Okay. Now. I mean, it is small, but the issue is otherwise it's like really fast. So maybe I can double it again. Triple it. I'm going to triple it. Okay, so I've stopped now, but it's going to still have the speed. But if I step out and step back in, it's going to reset it, which is really good. Okay, that's actually pretty... I think that's pretty good. And now we have... Liftoff! Come on! Come on, let's go! Lift up, baby! Okay. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Will you be able to rotate the plane and tilt it? You wanna make me have a heart attack? I will not. It's all good. But I will not. No, that's not gonna happen. I would rather not do that. I'm already like quite happy with this. The fact that I can like do this, and then at some point, once I'm fast enough, let's go! Lift up, baby! Woo! Oh my god. With this plane? Oh, wait a second. This is not... Wait a second. Just 1 second. What is this? What is this? Wait a second. Wait, what is this? With this craziness? We got Kaupenjoe! Let's go! I'm back, baby! Get into your plane and start over here! Let's go! Fly! Fly like the wind! Woo!
Ladies and gentlemen, dear passengers, we are arriving at LAX Airport from Frankfurt. Our 13-hour flight has thus concluded. Please fasten your seatbelts and do not open them until the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. Thank you very much for flying with Kaupen Air. So, yeah.
There you go. There you freaking go. That's what I'm saying. It did cover the face. It actually does cover it, but that's fine. It's fine. There you go. That's a plane. That's a plane. Oh, man. If you eat the mic. I changed the thing. How did you change the clothes in 1 second? You'd like to know that, don't you? Yeah. Maybe this isn't even live. I can even put on my aviator glasses if I wanted to. There you go. Damn. Wait. Let me just... I'm still covering this up. Wait a second. Let me do this. There you go.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to have a traveling of the highest order, okay? This is your captain speaking, Captain Kaupenjoe, and we're going to be flying over the vast nothingness of a flat world. It's going to be absolutely amazing, and you're going to see, well, basically nothing ever. There might be some horses and or some slimes on your right or your left or behind us or in front of us, but yeah, this is going to be a long flight. We're right now about 12,000 blocks in the, I guess, northern direction. I don't even know. And we're going to see where we'll end up. Thank you so much for traveling with Kaupen Airs, and I'll hope that we'll survive the landing. Talk to you soon. Oh, and please fasten your seatbelts, everyone. Thank you very much.
Yeah, let's go. 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 Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah. Okay, there you go. That was worth it. That was absolutely worth it, okay? Captain Kaupenjoe. What a freaking stupid joke. I love it. No sounds.
Security, can you please escort WEXYZ out of the chat? Thank you very much. They have forfeited their ticket, and they shall be, yeah, they will be banned from Kaupen Airs from here on out. Thank you so much for your attention.
That's what's gonna happen. That's what's gonna happen. I'm just gonna continue with that. Oh man, don't throw him out of the plane. Yeah, we're gonna throw him out of the plane while we're flying. Kaupenjoe. Oh,
ladies and gentlemen, and dear cast and passengers, please take a look at your right. You will see some cows. And there you go.
No mod towers. Wait a second. Where are we?
This is KJ-13 requesting landing on runway 13. This is Minecraft Tower. Minecraft Tower. Runway 13. KJ-13 clear to land. Thank you. There you go.
Oh, sorry. There you go. Listen, okay? Next time, when I stream in 2 weeks, you can look at the date yourself. We will not do a plane, okay? We won't do that. Because that's not... I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna have that on my conscience. Okay? Yeah, but there you go. That is... I mean, look. It's a better plane than we had before. That's all I can say. Right? Like, can you make it as a data pack? Absolutely not. Show your books that are lying behind you.
I shall not be showing my books behind me, as they are kind of embarrassing.
No, I just got them yesterday. Stephen King Gunslinger, The Dark Tower. I have no idea. Just looked good. I thought it was cool. Ambassador's Mission, and this one's pretty cool. Paulo Coelho's The Way of the Manual of the Warrior of Light. That's gonna be awesome. I'll take a look at those. Paulo Coelho, I love that. By the way, oh jeez, The Alchemist, probably my favorite book of all time. Like, genuinely, that is a great freaking book. It's so good. I cannot recommend that enough. A really good book. Yeah, but that's a plane. I guess next time we have to play the plane simulator, and then I can actually do this properly. Then I can, like, oh wait, let me.
What's the plane doing here in the air? I don't know. Let's just go into it. And oh no, we're falling down. Oh, we're falling down really fast. Oh!
It's falling down so slow because the speed. Have you read The Hunger Games? I've actually not read The Hunger Games. It's a better book than it is a movie, right? Like, the movies aren't that good. What the plane doing? Yeah, I don't know. It's just... Yeah, so that is, that's the thing. And a chance for it to randomly explode. I could do that. You know what? I'll do that. I'll do that. Bigger than? Nope, smaller than. I'll actually do this. It is a random word from The Alchemist. I will not. I will give you the I'll give you the best quote of it. Quote is, if you... No, I can't get it together. If you desire something... If you desire something good enough... No, I can't get it together. Wait. If you believe with all your heart in something you want, all the universe conspires for you to achieve it. It's not the right quote, but it's the idea. It's the idea of that. Something like that. It's something like that. Might be a little bit too... Ignore explosion. Should block explode. Level dot explode. This. What else? What else do you need? Double float explosion interaction. Sure. Let's just give him a bunch of doubles. Remove aeroplane. Yeah, then a float, and then an interaction. An explosion interaction, which is the mob. Let's go! I don't know if this is going to work. It's a position. It's a position? P double. New explosion. P. It is the position. You were correct. This dot get X. It is the position. Well, the more you know, man. Let's think about this. Let's make it a little bit. Nah, it's. Pick 2 colors. Are you an anime fan? I don't even know what that means. I've watched one. When did you get the hat? You should have seen. You should have seen me get the glasses. Okay, that's what you should have seen. Exactly. Okay, make the explosion power. Oh, this is the explosion power. Okay. Okay. I think that's gonna be good. Okay. Let's go. Let's do this. What's the name of the airline?
Ladies and gentlemen, dear passengers, this is your captain speaking. Jesus Christ! What the? Oh my God, that is way too. No. Okay.
Go back. Oh my Lord. Holy moly. No. That is. Woo, wow. Okay, no. That is way too high of a chance. Oh my God, man. Wow. Okay, no. Oh man. I wasn't even prepared. My God. That was something, man. Captain, my cap. Okay, this should be fine now.
Ladies and gentlemen, passengers, we are about to embark on our first maiden flight with Kaupenjoe, and I will be going into survival mode because, of course, no explosions will ever happen on this. And please bear yourself for, yeah, well, I mean, sometimes things might happen. Oh boy. Dear passengers, I'm afraid to tell you that we might just get issues. Oh boy. Okay. Nope. Dear passengers, sadly I have to say that I have passed away. The plane will now no longer be piloted by myself. I am talking to you through the spirit realm. I shall respawn post-haste. However, the plane is about 12,000 blocks away. Therefore, yeah, fasten your seatbelts. And I know that the captain always goes down with his ship, but you know what? Goodbye, suckers.
I don't know. Average Ryanair landing. It's true. It's so true. Oh man. This is Forge. This is on Forge. Rip Captain. I thought that the explosion would damage me, but it didn't. It didn't damage me. On biome generation. Absolutely, Vasper. I do still plan on doing that. It's also included in the course. If that's something that might interest you. By the way, course linked in the description below. It is still on sale for like the next 4 hours and 20 minutes. It is still on sale for 40% off. So do keep that in mind. If you want to get the course, you still can for a little bit of a discount. If that is something that you might be interested in. Create add-ons next time. I don't know. Because the course already contains the biome creation, biome generation, which is the thing that you can. That's the thing. I already have the course, already done it. Damn. Now it's a bomber plane. You know, you think I could... I don't think I can do that. I think I would need to... Okay. I want to try one more thing. But we need custom networking for that. But I can do it. I believe I can do it. Okay, I think I can do it. Okay, let's...
This is your captain speaking. We are going to try to add a little bit of an extension to our plane, and that is going to be that when I press a certain key, TNT is going to spawn. We're going to try to see if we can do that. This is going to require some custom networking, but I am sure that we will going to be able to do that. Please fasten your seatbelts and put up your trays. And no, yes, you too, Timmy, in the back over there. Don't keep the tray on because when the explosion starts, you don't want to be there.
You know what's really funny? What I can actually do is also I can sample stuff. So I can say stuff like, how about this? I can say stuff like, alright, welcome to Modding Monday. And then what I can do is I can do this. Alright, welcome to Modding Monday. Alright, welcome to Modding Monday. Isn't that awesome? It's so stupid. It's so stupid. But it is kind of funny. I think it's funny. And you know what? At the end of the day, that's all I care about. If I think it's funny, I'm going to be okay. Can you make a custom armor trims? I don't think so. I wanted to do that for the longest time, but the issue is that there's no way to make it properly. There's no way to make it properly compatible with every other mod, so it's not a thing. It's Monday? I thought it was Monday. It is, it's Monday for me. That's all I can say. There might be a part of the world where it's no longer Monday. That is absolutely possible. But it is still Monday for me, so I am late to school. Oh boy, that's so... Oh boy, that's not good. Oh. For me in Germany, it's Monday. For me in Germany, it's also Monday. Let's go. The US, I think. Now, the US is not. Gotta go. All right, man. Well, that's gonna get awkward. Ugh. Okay, swap offhand. I want to do networking. Networking. Because the issue is I have to do this on the client side, and obviously you can't spawn entities on the client side, which, I mean, everyone should know this by now, like, obviously. Oh, frick, I don't have networking in there. Frick, that's not good. I have networking here, let's go. Okay. We're saved. Mod messages. Yo, don't I even have something like this? Example message. I don't. It's in the... Wait, it's not in the course? Oh, it's not in the course. Where do I have my thing? Forge tutorial, please. No. Other Forge tutorial. Guys, I have so many freaking projects. It is ridiculous. It's actually getting insane, okay? Would you learn Kotlin? I don't think so. I don't think I would do that. For me in Denmark, it's Monday. True. I wish someday MC Heli mod. In Beijing, it's not Monday. Yeah, I would. That's what I'm saying. In some parts of the world, it's probably no longer Monday, which is kind of weird. But I mean, you know, that's time zones. Aren't they wacky? Reforge. No, that's Fabric. Boy, oh boy. So Forge, source, main, networking. Did I already look at that? For a minute. Okay, it just doesn't matter. Let's just take this guy. Plain mod. This is going to be a packet. We're going to take the... that's not right. This is not play... It is play to server. It is play to server. Let's go. I'm not in Beijing. I just looked it up. Fair enough. That's okay. Your 119 modding tutorial video has networking. True. For me, in Georgia, it's Monday. Oh, but I mean, I think it's starting to like... Is it like the or almost 10 p.m. now for you? Oh, I think that should be roughly Georgia, right? Like in almost. Yeah, I think that could work. Roughly. Not 100%, but almost. Here we are on the server. Awesome. That's what you want to see. And we literally just want to spawn. We just want to spawn the thing. This is the context.getLevel. Nope. Get level. Get direction. Wait. Am I crazy? Supplier? Yeah, that's the same thing. Context.getSender. I mean, I guess you can just get the level via this. Server level. Server level dot spawn. Nope. Dot add entity. Add fresh entity. And then we're going to add the... Oh boy. Wait a second. Add fresh entity? That's how it works, right? How do I spawn an entity? Have I forgotten how to spawn an entity? I might have. How did you know it was 9:45? The pilot voice needs to putting while talking effect. Needs this putting.
What do you mean? I already have this effect. Does this not work? Does the effect not go through? Like, is this not actually like? I have an effect on my. Oh my god! Does the effect not work?
It does go through. Actually, it does go through. I can't make it crazier. I can make it crazier actually.
Well, how about this? Oh, I can also add the echo over here. Wow, it's from reverb. Echo. Does it sound insane enough now? There you go. What about this? Hello. I feel like it worked before. I think like this works.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. I think the one before. Something is wrong with your voice. I love how someone just joins and say, I think something is wrong with your voice. I would tend to agree. That would not be good. That would be a very bad... That would be not good at all. Oh, it's entity type. Wait a second. It's other thing. It's entity type dot TNT dot spawn. Adding the server level. That's easier. Oh, I have to give him the frickin'... Oh, man. I have to give him the frickin'... I have to give him stuff. Block pass dot position. To give him the position. Oh, no. That's not good. Buff dot... Wait, that's the 2 bytes. That's going to be equal to buff dot read block pass. And then here it's going to be the exact opposite, right? Make it private. Oh, better have it private. Otherwise, you're not going to see me. I'm John Cena. Da 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 down. Da 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 down. That's not even right. This is going to be block pass. Pause. This dot position equals pause. Easy. 2 bytes. Buff dot. Right. Block pause. Position. Done. Then we get the position at this. So there's going to be position dot get x. Thank you. Position dot get y. Y. Position dot get z or z. Because I don't want to... Oh boy. Oh, you can also just give him a block pause. Spawn type boolean. Wow, that's awesome. Thank you so much. Spawn type conversion, control, reinforcement, triggered. Okay, there you go. Plane Nano. Hello.
This is your co-captain Nano Attack here for speaking a little bit about his textures. Nano Attack, the stage is yours.
Alright, welcome to Modding Monday. I don't know, guys, that's actually really funny though. This is so stupid. I love it. Okay, this is not drinking water anymore. This is now Spawning TNT packet. Yeah. This is exactly right. Click draw. This sounds about right. I think this should work, right? Right, guys? I think that's gonna be it. So we just have to call this on the in the common setup right here. I know that the conventional wisdom is to call it in the unqueue work runnable. However, I have found this not to work before. But let's just add it there because why not? What's the worst that can happen? I like the drinking water package more. It describes it more accurately. That's true. The pilot voice is funny and good, especially with his outfit. Let's do this. Let's do this better over here. All right. Wait a second. Wait a second. Okay, there we go.
Welcome everyone for Modding Monday over here. We're going to be flying with Kaupenjoe again. I can barely see anything, but that has never stopped me before, so you know what? It's not going to stop me now. It's going to be mod messages.send to server, and we're going to make a new plain entity. Absolutely not. Are you crazy? We're going to make a new spawning TNT packet, and this is going to be this dot position. Bam. Done. Easy. Wait, why not? Why not? Wrap? Black? Wait. Oh, because it needs to be get block position. Dot below, and then we're going to spawn it like below 1. That is what we want to do. There you go. Thank you so much for traveling with Deutsche Bahn.
Okay, so that's going to be sending this. When I click this button, it's going to spawn a TNT packet below. You think that's going to work? Oh, you bet it will, because it's... Alright, welcome to Modding Monday. This is so...
This is your captain speaking. Kaupenjoe has lost his mind and will be joining us shortly after. This is going to be absolutely friggin' fantastic. We're going to be spawning TNT packets as we are on the will when we press the F key. This is going to make it so that we're actually a bomber airplane. Please fasten your seatbelts. Put the trays up. Put the oxygen masks onto put the oxygen masks on for you first, and then for your loved ones. Otherwise, this might result in some issues. And here we go. Oh my god, it actually works. This is insane. Wait a second, it actually works, guys. It actually works. Look at this. Look at this. It actually works. What? What? It works. Woo! Let's go, baby. Yep. There you go. Bomber plane in Minecraft. You didn't think that would work, did you? Exactly.
But it did work. What? Because you know why? Alright, welcome to Modding Monday. Exactly. It's Modding Monday. There was no random explosion. No random explosion happened. It's all me. Look at this, okay? It's all me. I'm just gonna sit here. I'm gonna fly up a little bit, right? And then I'm gonna just press F. Look at this. Look at this. And they spawn for every... they spawn for every plane. Wait, that's ridiculous. Oh my god, they're gonna spawn whether or not I'm in there or not. Wait a second. This is ridiculous. Wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. You thinking what I'm thinking?
Ladies and gentlemen, dear passengers, please take note that if you press F, you're gonna have a really, really, really bad time. This was your captain speaking. Thank you so much for your attention.
Alright, welcome to Modding Monday. Alright, guys, I think that... Alright, well, that was it. That was the plane. Listen, it was something else. Let me do this again. Let me do this again. Exactly. Press
F to pay respects. Thank you so much. As your captain, thank you so much for traveling with Kaupen Airlines, and have a lovely rest of your evening.
Yeah, no, but that's gonna be it from me, guys, because that was crazy. I might make a tutorial in that voice. I don't know yet. Maybe at some point. What I will say, though, is the following, okay? What I will say is the following, and that is that next week I will not be streaming on a Monday. I will not be streaming at all. I will be back on September 11th with something completely different. We're not going to make a plane. We're not going to do anything with aviation, okay? This is all the stripes and suit. All of that is not going to be a thing, okay? None of this is going to happen next time on September 11th. We're going to do anything but that. I don't know yet what we're going to do. Probably just like community mods and another thing or something like that. That's the idea. Yeah. There you go. Anyway, that was it. Awesome. That was Modding Monday, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us. And I shall be seeing you, hopefully, next time. So, yeah.